Welcome to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today, and this will be part 2 of the video that I'm doing right now. Same day, second video. Now this is a horrible view, but this is what your car will look like when it's not on any of the wheels. As a matter of fact, I'll be rotating the tires right away. I just did an oil change last week, so I'll be doing their tire rotation at this point because all of these tires are 305 anyways. Now, the previous video, where I will leave the link down into the description, I swapped the brake pads off that comes on these Brembos. As a matter of fact, they're right here. These are the old one, dusty, disgusting. The ones that I got is actually from this box, which is the Power Stop Extreme Street. There was a red one, couldn't find the red one actually, so that's why I bought that one. I will leave a link down into the description. Now that was actually an easy swap. I did both sides in 30 minutes, including driving to the O'Reilly's to get something, and you will see that in the previous video. If you're interested, the link will be down into the description. For the purpose of today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this G2 paint system. I've already used it on my previous Challenger, and this one will be white. Now, I've already opened the box because I already used this brake cleaner. You really need it. If you have a 4-piston Brembo, this might be enough, but if you have a 6-piston, pretty much just grab an extra one at any of your local O'Reilly's or AutoZone, because it will not be enough to clean the amount of brake dust that you will get in there. Now, in this package, that's everything that comes in here, which will the paint itself. This will be the reactor. Once you start, it will give you 6 hours to paint it, and I remember doing it in about 4 hours last time, so hopefully I can do it faster this time. And in here you will get like a brush and a little stick just to mix everything up. So I will do that right now because I already cleaned everything. Okay, just open it up just to give myself a refresh. It says make sure you have all 4 wheels off, so that's what I basically have right now. Just to show you around, shout out to my neighbor to borrow, this is my jack, but he borrowed me his jack so I can have the 2 rear ones pretty easy, and the front 2 are on jack stands. Now this reactor, you're gonna mix it in, and mask everything up. Let me show you what I did. All the area that I didn't want to be painted, you pretty much mask it all the way. Now that everything is ready and clean, you basically pour this reactor in, and you're gonna stir it down. It says for 5 minutes. For some reason this doesn't look white. Now hopefully when it dries it gets white. If not, I'll have a big problem with G2. Okay, we can get started. Not too bad for first hand. Damn, looks good, looks good. This is the end result. Let's see the back one. Looks good, looks good. And now next thing up, my boy will actually hook me up with some stickers. We're gonna swap this around. Gonna do it white and red, or red and white, whatever combination works best. And obviously we'll do the same thing with a different breed car club. So it turned out pretty good. We got his Hellcat right here, looking good also. Still got the orange ones. We don't know what we're gonna do about it. And looks what in the making. Look at the prototype. Let's go. Different breed. We got our logo in the back. And turn the other way around because the shadow is right there. There we go. Who wants smoke? Make sure you follow him. Good. Now, thank you guys for watching. Don't know where the sunlight is better. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.